Hi everyone, my name is Keith. I'm a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the Tennant Boss 2000 LE carpet extractor. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to keep your machine running at peak performance and minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. So we need to replace your spray bar because it's broken. I've seen it before. Super simple. What you want to do first is grab this quick connect and release it. Just like that, pull the hose off. Now we can take the bar, rotate it, and slide it out. Now, if you're just replacing the spray bar because it's broken, you'll have to reuse all 5 of your spray jets, so take those out. Also, you'll have to use the male end of your quick connect and the brass plugs. There's 3 of them. There's one on each end and one in the center here. You'll have to reuse those parts on your new bar. You can also get the whole kit that comes with everything. Now that you have all of that put back together, just reverse your steps, slide it in, line your spray jets up with the holes in the deck, and then put your quick connect hose back on the male end. Just like that, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.